going FPV. Noise. Okay, I can see a lot of prop.
Okay, what does that mean?
Just a lot of propeller.
Ah, I like use the lingo, the slang.
How is it?
How's it what?
Well, just getting a shot of the plane. This is the first time flying a Cub for me, FPV. It's quite a relaxing experience. Right. Okay, I'm just going to get it trimmed out. I'm just going to go to the end of the field and then back again.
Okay.
To start with. Oh, just turn the camera around. Well, I can see the end of the wing.
So you filming the FPV at the same time?
Yeah, so it's recording. Oh, I think I need to gain a bit of altitude there. All I can see is like lines going down the screen because of the propeller. I'll go a bit further towards 400 feet, which
I guess that's an issue with a propeller-based plane.
Yeah, thankfully with the rocket plane, no such issue. For the superior, propulsion method. Oh, what was that?
I think there's a bike behind us. Is that what you mean?
I thought I heard a crunching noise.
Oh, you're flying into the sun. Oh my eyes! I've lost it. I've lost it.
I'm right above us now.
Okay, somewhere.
I thought I heard a crunching noise. The camera's not about to fall off, is it?
What camera?
On the plane.
Oh, I can't see the plane at the moment.
Oh, fair enough. Just come behind
It's
us.
somewhere in the sky.
Hmm.
Oh, hope. Where is it? I think it's over there.
I think I'm probably in the sun.
Oh god! He literally fly. I'm gonna go blind. Where is it?
I'll
now?
fly a bit lower. I'll fly over the fields to our left then.
Okay.
I'll just go as far, and then we can sort of measure how far away we are in terms
Whatever
of.
you were doing at the start was good. It was lower.
Yeah, I just don't want to crash if I
Yeah,
lose the
that's true.
signal. So
Where is it? There it is.
the camera is pointing quite far down on this setup. So how is it? Is it in focus?
Yeah, it's fine at the moment.
It's
I
good,
mean, it's quite
good
far.
practice actually, isn't it, for later?
Yeah, the tracking's fine. Except when you go in front of the sun, then I just go blind.
Yeah, I'm losing a bit. It seems to be going slightly staticky here.
It's completely out of right. You can barely see it on this camera now, so it's pretty far.
Well, I'm just about to. Can you see it in
Yeah,
real
yeah.
life? Because of course, folks, you need to keep visual line of
yeah, I
sight.
can
with it.
see it
So
in
that
real life.
didn't seem like very far away actually.
Actually, harder to see in real life than with the camera.
I guess you zoom in, don't you?
Yeah, my eyes don't have that function.
Should follow the road back.
Not on health.
Oh, it's so bright. Alright, I'll try that again. I'll go kind of low. But it just felt like it was getting very staticky. Yeah, we were losing a good bit of the picture then as we went about, I don't know, 300-400 meters away. So that's not a good sign for later with the big rocket plane. Might have to fly at line of sight if it's going to be a bit temperamental. I'm going to just turn the camera all the way around. Oh wow, I can see the tail. Wow, the tail's wiggling quite a lot.
You must be happy.
What?
I'll focus.
I keep hearing like a crunching noise coming from the direction of the plane.
Just your ears.
Yeah. And go a bit further.
Lost her.
Just let me know if you can't see it in real life anymore, because...
I can see it in real life.
Okay.
Just out of focus on the camera.
Yeah. You could always zoom out and then...
Yeah, that's what I can. Just have to find it again. Oh,
yeah,
wow,
we're losing the picture as we come over here, so... Oh, completely lost it now. I'm going to turn around.
Yeah, you can barely see it.
Okay, coming home. So I'm about as far as the two-stage rocket was actually when it landed. So I can't remember how far away that was, but I think it was about 500 metres from here.
Must have been further.
Must have been. It went so far. I remember you kept saying that as we were walking towards it. It's gone like 8 miles. Alright, I'm going to do a low pass. I'll just go really low around the field so you can get some nice shots of it. Oh, that's better. I have my rates on low. Oh, it's really disconcerting. Shall I go behind us, be able to get it in the other, the Sony
light,
picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and it's away from the sun, so that's easy to track.
Oh, there's a car coming. Okay, I'll try that again. Is there another car there?
I can't see
Yeah,
it.
it's behind us. You're right.
Oh yeah, it's a car. It's a man in a red car. He's watching us.
Yeah. He's not just nicked the Land Rover, has he?
Climbed in through the window.
Yeah.
He's about 70, but
Okay.
no problem. Imagine if you hit yourself.
I know. I keep seeing myself in the the video. So slow, this plane.
Well, that's a good shot. That's really good. 'Cause it's like you've got the fields in the background.
Ooh, I got a bit discombobulated there.
Discombobulated. Oh yes. That's the money shot.
Wow, it's gone really staticky.
Really?
Yeah,
There?
I don't know why, yeah.
That's not very far.
No, might have to do some tuning with this setup. Do you want to go?
Sure.
You can turn that Panasonic camera off and then... You put it down, I can hand you the goggles. Actually, I need to trim it. It's a bit psychedelic. Where's the plane? It's over there.
Over there.
God, my eyes. It's so bright out here. Here's the goggles.
Okay. Ooh. Oh wow, yeah, the propeller is like,
Yeah.
looks like an old TV.
It changes with the RPMs of the motor, the frequency of the lines. Do you want to go at flying it?
With the goggles on?
Yep.
Okay, wait. This is gonna crash.
Right, so you just need to use the right hand stick, the thumbstick on the right. Don't touch the other one. And then if you're going to crash, I'm going to grab it from you. There you go.
The right hand stick. Which one's right?
My plane is in his hand.
I can't even find the. What do we do?
So pull up to go up, but not too much. Left and right to go left and right.
This is actually easier than flying it.
You just have to make sure not to get lost.
Yeah, it's just like
oh no,
Microsoft
good.
Flight Simulator.
I thought that this wasn't recording then, but it is.
Although I don't know where we are.
You're coming back towards us now.
Oh yeah. I'm at the other end of the field. Ooh, a hole.
How are you finding it? Your first FPV experience, how are you finding it?
It's actually my second.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you...
Oh, but you've not flown a plane.
I've never flown an FPV.
Yeah, your first piloting experience.
I mean, I think all planes should be flown like this. I mean, I guess they are. This is it's fun. It's like a
video game.
It is, yeah. It's like a video game. Yeah. Which is why I'm so good. No, not really.
You can try and bring it in for a landing if you want. Well, in a bit when you want to.
Should we scan for that camera you lost?
Yeah.
Look for an orange dot. If anyone in the comments can see an orange dot, comment below, and James will gift you this plane. Oh, static. I feel like I'm being filmed.
You are.
Yes. Okay.
Bring it sort of past us.
Okay.
Go right. He's coming right at us now. This isn't good.
That wasn't very low. Let's go for a lower pass.
Okay.
What
could possibly
go wrong
with the idea of doing a lower pass? Oh! Nicely saved. I should be filming this, really.
That wasn't much lower.
Where's the camera? Oh, tell you what, keep flying, I'll get the drone up and try and chase you.
Oh yeah, should we have a battle?
I don't know about that.
What's that game you play? War Thunder. Yeah.
Not sponsored. They were supposed to sponsor me.
This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
No, it's not.
What? No, they sponsored me, not you.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Wait, you've got a sponsor.
Yeah. Who would be your ideal sponsor?
NASA.
Yeah. What do you think they gift you?
Oh, don't go too close to the road.
I'm completely blind.
You're down.
I'm blind.
You've crashed.
No.
You've crashed. You just suddenly spiraled into the ground.
It went black. It's the
Did it?
FPV, yeah. Like completely, it wasn't even static.
I just saw you tumbling to the ground over there.
Well, hopefully the footage
I'll get the drone
proves
up
me innocent. It went black and I couldn't see anything.
Yeah. Well, we'll send the rescue drone.
Yeah, it's still static. I don't know if that's static. It went black and static.
Okay, so Mike's just crashed, and now we're going to go and see.
I blame the technology, not me.
And now we're going to see if we can find the plane. I found it. Oh, it's actually the right way up.
So it wasn't a crash,
Perfect
it was
landing.
a landing.
Yeah, but the nose is destroyed.
Must have happened after impact. Oh, I can see some batteries on the floor.
Yeah. Well done. Your first FPV crash. Actually, your first RC crash.
Is it my first crash?
I think so.
Thousands of flights.
Yeah.
This is my first crash. So that's a lot.
Well, that was a very successful test mission. Going to go and retrieve the aircraft and go make a cup of tea and set up the next one for another crash.
Yeah, let's go.